Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of chapter 3rd, that is water. Okay, so as we know that water is one of the most important substance for our survival. Okay, after air, roughly 4/5 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, how much? 4/5. Then what is major constituent of living matter of all plants, animals and human beings? 70% of our body weight is constituent by the water. How much? 70%. Okay. The next one is importance of water. Water plays an important role in large number of natural processes. It is vital for growth of plants and animals. Okay. So हमारी growth के लिए responsible है. Next one is the human body as well as other living organisms need water for almost every function which is being carried out by each and every cells. Means our each and every cells required water in many processes. Okay, next one is what is needed for growing and cooking food. Okay, growing and cooking food. Okay, growing and cooking food. Next one is what is needed for cleaning. It is needed for cleaning as well. Then next one is what is essential for industries like hydroelectric as well as thermoelectric stations. They use large amount of water. Okay, the next one is bulk transportation. Okay, so bulk transport of goods to other countries is carried through seawater. The next one is occurrence of water. Water occurs in free as well as combined state. Okay, it can be occurred in free as well as combined state. Free state means what is individually present in any three states of water, that is solid, okay, like ice, liquid, like water itself, then water vapor in gaseous form. Okay, the next one is combined state. Combined state, like in last class, means in 8th class we have studied about one compound, that is copper sulfate and pentahydrate. So here water, 5 molecules of water are present with CuSO4, copper sulfate. Okay, so this is occurrence of water is present in its combined state. All right, now next is composition of water. uh, Ancient scientists believe that water is an element, but as we know that element contain only one kind of atom. So that is why later on scientists believe that water is a compound because it contains hydrogen and oxygen. It contains hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Okay, combining together in the ratio of 2:1. So that is why later on water is considered as a compound. So now next is reasons to regard water as a compound. So first one is a compound has some elements combined together in a fixed proportion by weight. Okay, so weight ke according water contains hydrogen, okay, hydrogen and oxygen in 1:8 ratio. So in water, okay, so water molecules consist of hydrogen and oxygen atoms combined together in the ratio 1:1 by weight. Therefore, water is a compound. Now next is, as we know, a compound has properties different from constituent element. Okay, so as we know that hydrogen, in the formation of water, two atoms of hydrogen are there, one atom of oxygen is there. Okay, so this hydrogen is a highly combustible gas. Okay, means it is a highly inflammable gas which start burning, whereas this oxygen is a supporter of combustion. But water, okay, they are forming of water. This water is a liquid which extinguishes fire. Therefore its properties are different from the constituent element, hence it is a compound. Now next is the components of compound cannot be separated by any physical means. However, they can be separated by chemical means only. Means a compound can be separated by any chemical means only, not by any physical means. Okay, in case of water, it is just not possible to separate hydrogen from the oxygen by any physical means. However, the elements of water, that are hydrogen and oxygen, they can be separated by electrochemical means, and that is known as electrolysis of water. Means the substance of water can be only separated by electrolysis of water. The process is electrolysis of water, but not any physical means. Okay, I hope everything is very clear up to here. In next class, I will explain you about the physical properties of water and natural and treated water. Okay, take care.